Our next section that we're going to talk about is uploading student documents. Now you have certain forms that you have to upload into Blackboard for approval prior to coming to the course. So let's scroll over, look at our window here. To get to this, you will go to the student document folder. Here's a list of all of the information that is required. We request for you to black out all Social Security numbers before uploading these forms. On each one of these, to simply upload it, you'll simply click on the topic. You'll browse your computer to find the file wherever it might be. Once you find your information, simply double click on that particular file and then submit. And that will upload the document for grading. You'll be able to come back in the next day and see the grade that you got on those documents. If there was some issue with that document, there'll be notes in there telling you what you need to do to fix it. The last thing to let you know, if you have an issue where you need to contact a point of contact, let me show you where you can find that information. In the course administration, you will see a welcome and a point of contact. If you have any issues whatsoever with the working of the system, i.e. you can't upload something or you can't get access to it, that's when you call me. And let me show you those points of contact. You have Guard U, you can contact them during normal working hours. You can contact me at any time and look forward to seeing you when you get here to SMTC.